You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this word, meaning soup? In Italian, how do you say soup? In Italian, as a dish. Zuppa. Because you have a double T, you need to stress on the P, double P. Yes, stress on the double P, make it twice as long. Zuppa. Zuppa is soup in Italian. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.